Huge news in the TN7 race. We just got this poll from Emerson showing that this is a 2 point within the margin of error race. I'll first go through the crosstabs of this poll to show you how Afton Bain is closing the margin, and then I'll go through the latest early voting numbers. Democrats are first building a very important early voting firewall. So you can see of those who have already early voted in this poll, Afton Bain is up 56 to 42%. That means Republicans are relying on big election day turnout in order to win this race. And it just so happens that the weather gods are really looking down favorably on the Democrats because election day does not look like great weather in Nashville. 30 to 39 degrees, high chance it will rain the entire day. That is bad news for the Republicans because just a few lower percentage point turnout on election day could be the difference between winning and losing such a close race. The biggest reason why this election is a close race is that the electorate is just more Democratic because Democrats are more motivated to go out to vote. So you can see here in the recalled vote question in this poll, Donald Trump had a 53.6 to 40.9% lead. Well, this is a district he won by 22 points. So Democrats have already closed the gap by 10 points just by having more motivated voters. The next most important factor is that Afton Bain is winning 6.5% of Trump voters, and she's also winning basically everyone who voted for somebody else or did not vote in 2024, while Matt Van Epps is not winning basically any Kamala Harris voters. Now, when it comes to race and age, Afton Bain is doing incredibly well for a Democrat in the Deep South, with white voters getting to 40% of the vote share. If Democrats won 40% of the white vote in the South, Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi would all have Democratic governors and senators. The Hispanic Latino vote share here is really meaningless because the sample size is too small. I think she will do much better than this poll shows. And then with black voters, she is up 80 to 10. I think she will probably end up winning 90% of that vote. And then when it comes to age, this is being driven by Gen Z and millennials for Afton Bain. She is winning those demos heartily, and then she's losing basically every demo of older voters. So you can see there's a huge age wedge in this district, much larger than the gender one, which isn't very much in this district, which is super interesting. And when it comes to early voting, yesterday was the biggest day so far, and Davidson County's early vote share is sitting at 24.1% of the total, which is a great sign for the Democrats since Davidson County, which is Nashville, is only about 20% of the district's population. I also do expect that today, Wednesday, the last day for early voting, to be another very good day for Democrats, since polling sites in Davidson County are open till 4:30 today, while in the rest of the district in most counties they do close at noon. So I do expect the vote share to rise for Davidson on this last day. Now, of course, Election Day is next Tuesday, December 2nd, and it's vital that we help get out every single last voter we can on that Tuesday. And bad weather could help the Democrats because Republicans need that Election Day vote to win.